Baby girl, look at you, Lily. Lily. Baby girl. Lily, look at you. Yeah, look at you. With your I Love Dad shirt on. And I Love Mom on the back. Yeah? And your big brownish green eyes. Look at you. Hey. Yeah, we just can chew on things. So we do. So we do. We just chew on things. Mom.
Yeah. You go to change a diaper or go to drink or something and she doesn't want it done. She'll just sit up and just like hit. So there's 2 or 3 bodies.